Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 18th December 2024. The Securities and Exchange Board of India or Sebi on Tuesday barred foreign portfolio investors from issuing offshore derivative instruments or ODIs, locally referred to as participatory or P notes, which have an India listing security as an underlying asset. Additionally, the regulator prohibited overseas funds from hedging ODIs with derivative positions on Indian stock exchanges. Furthermore, Sebi asked foreign portfolio investors issuing ODIs to obtain ownership information of all the investors holding such instruments. India's venture capital landscape is experiencing a shift. Despite raising $2.5 billion in 2024, investments remain cautious, totaling $10.9 billion. Executive churn is high, with senior figures leaving established firms. Smaller funds are stepping up early-stage investments as global giants pull back. This cautious approach marks a reset from the 2021 boom, impacting deal flow and investment strategies. Shriram Finance, India's second largest NBFC, is in the final stages of raising $1.27 billion in a multi-tranche, multi-currency loan expected to be the biggest such external commercial borrowing or ECB deal involving a local non-bank lender. The loan, with maturities of 3 to 5 years, diversifies Shriram's funding sources amidst tighter RBI regulations and will support its lending business, including expansion into MSME financing. Sebi has notified the Sebi Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements Third Amendment Regulations 2024. The major changes include A. Mandating secretarial audits to be conducted by a secretarial auditor who must be a peer-reviewed company secretary. B. Making publication of financial results optional. C. Introducing detailed norms governing the eligibility, qualifications, and disqualifications of secretarial auditors. And D. Prescribing a cooling-off period for secretarial auditors. The Central Board of Direct Taxes or CBDT has launched an electronic campaign to assist taxpayers in resolving mismatches between the income and transactions reported in the Annual Information Statement or AIS and those disclosed in income tax returns for the financial years 2023-24 and 2021-22. This campaign also targets individuals having taxable income or significant high-value transactions reported in their AIS but have not filed income tax returns for the respective years. The initiative is part of the implementation of the E-Verification Scheme 2021. India is likely to impose a safeguard duty or temporary tax of up to 25% on steel imports. Small manufacturers consuming about 1 million metric tons of steel annually are expected to benefit from the arrangement, with prices about 20% lower than market rates. India, the world's second biggest producer of crude steel, became a net importer of the alloy in the financial year to March 31st, with imports surging to a record high during the first 7 months of the current financial year. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.